Hello guys, I need to upgrade this spray boot because I have new scale modeling room. I want to upgrade the filtration because this filter is underpowered. This is primary filter from vacuum cleaner. I want to upgrade to secondary filter in this side. This is all for fun. I bought this reduction from hobby shop. I bought this filter. This filter is from car parts shop. I need install to this place.
Let's do it! The basic material for making an airbox is a plastic sheet. To make the airbox sturdy, I use thicker material. I think this plastic sheet is 3 mm thick. It cuts well with a knife. It's a shame I don't have a 3D printer. It would make everything easier. First, I measured the air filter and drew the dimensions on the plastic sheet. The first part of the airbox is the top part. It is a frame into which the filter itself is inserted. The box will not have a closable lid. I would like to glue it into this frame. If I change it in the future, I will simply unstick it. I continued making the side walls of the airbox. I measured them to be the same length as the top of the airbox. The side walls will be deep and out. I measured the air filter to fit just right. I don't want to make it too big. I sanded all the parts before gluing. The surface will be rougher and the glue will hold better. This plastic sheet is quite hard. It was quite difficult to sand. I used super glue to glue the plastic sheets together, but I used the gel version. It has one disadvantage. I used up a lot of that super glue. I tried to glue two pieces together on the scraps. I used different glues. Only super glue worked for me. I also thought about an alternative. I thought about making this airbox out of a cardboard box, but I immediately brushed this idea off the table. This alternative would not have a long lifespan. I had this plastic plate lying around at home. I was still thinking about water-based filtration. I wanted the fumes from the airbrush gun to be driven through water into some container of water. The other end would only send clean air into the room. I haven't figured it out yet. Ordinary fans wouldn't develop enough pressure. I want to build it one day.
Let's get back to our build. In the next step, I use sealant. I thoroughly filled out joints with it. I didn't want unfiltered air to leak throughout any of the joints. All joints must be airtight. I used regular acrylic sealant for this. I think it was the kind used for plumbing. I even smoothed out the sealant with soapy water. This procedure is recommended for any kind of sealing. You can also use silicone. I just happened to have this sealant at home in a drawer among my tools. I was looking forward to this step. Finally, I could put all the parts together. I checked it to see if the air filter would fit. Everything fits perfectly. I continued as before. I sanded down all the joints I wanted to glue first. Everything is glued together and fits perfectly. Superglue is perfect for this kind of work. It's very quick to work with. I can imagine having to wait an hour for the glue to dry. Check this out! I'm really excited about it. I managed to do it on my first try. It's not exactly perfect, but I'm happy with it. I was afraid it would be difficult, but it wasn't. How would you do it? Would you do it the same way? See this glue? It's the classic model making glue, but in the end, it didn't work. So, don't use it ever. Once it's dried, it didn't stick. That air filter has a foam ring around it. In the end, I use silicone. That holds. So, what do you think? Do you like this cool feature? Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment. Did I forget anything?